Hi everyone, Renee DeKroub from the DeKroub Team at Remax Platinum. I want to reach out to you and let you know that on behalf of our entire team, I hope you're staying healthy and safe during these uncertain times. The wellness and well-being of our staff, agents, as well as clients is our number one priority. With all of this happening, real estate is now 100% virtual. We're getting through it, and we're going to get through it with you. Virtually means that we're going to do open houses virtually. We're going to do buyer tours virtually, listing homes virtually. So it's scary times, but we're here, we're adjusting, and we are 100% on board to help you through this. Real estate is essential, but now it's virtually essential. So give us a call if you need anything. Our entire team's here for you. 517-404-4270. And during this holiday Holy Week of Passover and Easter, wishing you the best and stay healthy, happy, and safe. Thank you.